Welcome back. Let's look at some keywords and shapes you will come across when we talk about networks. I will use the internet router you have at home to provide some examples. The first one is really easy. Just remember that there are two types of networks: wired or wireless. Wired networks use wires or cables to carry or transport the message from point A to point B. In our example here, from the laptop to the router. Wireless networks rely on wireless or radio signals to transport the message. Using our same example, this is the communication between a mobile and a Wi-Fi router. We call the cables and the wireless signals transmission media. We represent wire transmission media by a solid line, and the wireless ones by either a dotted line, like a black one between the mobile and the router, or more often by the green shapes you see coming out of the router antenna in the diagram. Each type of transmission medium has its strength and weakness. We will talk more about this in the coming lectures. Another thing to remember is that when we draw a network, we do this usually by drawing a cloud. This is just a way of abstracting a network. We do this with the internet, for example, because we don't really know every device in there, nor that level of details matter when we are discussing certain topics. Another reason we use the cloud abstraction is when we want to say all the devices within a certain network are managed by the same owner or network administrator. For example, we say we want to connect the home network to the internet. We just abstract every device at home within a cloud called home network. We will do this during the course to refer to networks at home, work, factories, etc. Please don't confuse this with cloud computing. We will talk about that topic later. Another term you will hear often in this course is IP network. This means that the devices in this network use a certain technology called IP. We will talk more about IP networks later, but just remember that it is the most dominant technology at the moment in the networking industry. That's all for now. See you in the next lecture.